Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pass IELTS listening. First, familiarize yourself with the test structure. The listening test has 4 sections, each with 10 questions, totaling 40 questions. You'll hear a recording once and must answer as you listen. Pay close attention to instructions for each question type, such as multiple choice or sentence completion, to avoid losing points unnecessarily. A crucial strategy is to read the questions thoroughly during the preparation time. This helps you anticipate the information you need to find. As you listen, try to predict the type of answer required, whether it's a name, a number, or a specific detail. Remember, the audio often uses synonyms or paraphrases, so don't just wait for exact words. Many test takers struggle with distractions or unfamiliar accents. To overcome this, practice active listening in a quiet environment. Expand your vocabulary across various topics, as the test covers a broad range. Regularly expose yourself to different English accents, such as British, American, and Australian, to improve your overall comprehension and adaptability during the exam. Consistent practice is key to improving your listening score. Utilize official IELTS practice materials to simulate test conditions. After each practice session, review your answers, especially the incorrect ones, to understand where you went wrong. This helps you identify weak areas. Set a realistic target score, like 7, 0, and work towards achieving it through dedicated effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.